You want to see the big chips fly.
Yeah.
The big wood chips.
Stop moving.
Siguro angle here.
Pieces like that come off. Good ones. That's the goal. Yeah, there you go. You put it up against the other one or something. Yeah, it's a big one coming off. Oh. There it is. Woo! Right.
No, you're gonna
Tiring, eh?
Stop, yeah.
You warm up quick doing that.
There you go. See, you're getting better. The more you hit it, the more your angle's getting better.
Yeah,
your hand.
exactly. You start to learn where to hit it.
At first it feels awkward, but then eventually you'll get used to it. See? You're
Oh yeah.
getting more bigger chunks now. See?
Woo!
Wow.
The big chips.
We have a man, a very strong man cutting logs. Good job.
Wood's tough, eh?
Just make sure there's leftover for the fire, okay?
Hey, my bad.
No, that's perfect.
I'm just joking. Because your bee is getting bigger and bigger.
That's
Yeah,
the
that's good.
20% of it is gone.
Yeah.
We just need a chunk to fill in.
Okay,
And then,
There's system loss.
Yeah, that one's moving. It's a small piece, so.
Oh, that's precise.
It's tiring, but there's something about it.
it's so fulfilling.
It's fulfilling. And then it's like a challenge. You want to get it, right? You start it, you're like, oh man, I got to finish this.
I'm sure tomorrow my fingers are gonna be sore. But
Back in the days in the Philippines, it is a must when you're like pursuing a girl.
yeah.
That's,
You got to be able to
Perfect
chop
shot.
wood.
Chop wood and get
Fetch water.
Water, yeah. It's called your suyo.
See that? When we come out couples camping next, then you'll be able to impress your wives. They'll say, oh, look, he knows how to chop the wood.
Turn into number 8, brother girl.
I'm gonna make a, what do you call this?
Anito?
Oh, it's boiling now. It's boiling.
Go ahead.
Keep on moving. Yeah. Oh, it's boiling. Boiling. One, two. Papalitan. Go. Just put some cups here. And just use this spoon. So, just like this. Then do you still have spoon? Yeah, the scissors. Then I'm gonna heat up the beef. For your sustenance.
It keeps moving.
I will try.
Wear gloves, bro. Kagalo na ng patugot eh. Bilhin naman ikaw. Slowly but surely. That's why I said, back in the days, you seldomly see fat people. Doing that the whole day, there's no way you're gonna gain weight. When you only eat 3 times a day. No in between meals. Almost there. Now you want to eat a lot of papaitan after that. Oh. Oh, makakain na. Relax ko yun. Mga race rover na rin. Isa. Yan.
Nice car.
Yeah, nice, eh?
They know this place. I think there's more over there with an open land and grassy.
We might be going to shoot.
Yeah.
We'll hit some gunshots here.
When we do a hike later, should we bring the guns?
Oh yeah, for sure.
This is a joke.
Oh man, serious business.
Oh, bro. Ako mapali.
I feel like I'm this right now.
That's a good exercise, right?
It's a good workout.
Mapali.
Oh, I gotta take a video of the papaitan.
Yeah. Show her.
Close up.
Ah, sarap. Ikaw na. Ano ba man?
Mike just not eating? Oh, he's got some. Go ahead, brother.
The poop soup.